Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case. Welcome to Orting Municipal Court. Please stand by and you will automatically be connected to a courtroom when the court is ready to hear your case.
What we're doing is making Devin down. All right. Said we're ready on some private counsel cases.
Yes, I know that Jacob LaRoche is ready.
All right. Mr. LaRoche.
And he is. Good morning, Your Honor. Amanda Danforth on behalf of Mr. LaRoche, who is present in the virtual courtroom today.
Good morning.
So, Your Honor, this is actually a review. The issue was a domestic violence treatment. He had completed a 6-month program, but the agency reported that he was supposed to do a 12-month. It does appear from the eval that the original evaluation was for a 6-month program. and he looks like he's completed all the other conditions. At this point, we're beyond the end of jurisdiction, so at this point, the state's just asking closed case.
All right. So it's not in pretrial status.
No, it's not in pretrial
Okay.
status.
And I haven't heard counsel's objection.
I am not objecting. What Mr. Walls said is correct. Mr. LaRoche did do a domestic violence evaluation that recommended 6 months of treatment. For some reason, there was an administrative error at the treatment agency, and instead of level 2, he was shifted into level 3, which is a year-long program. So actually, when they filed this notice of non-compliance back in November, he had actually already completed the 6-month program that he was required to do by that point. So we're just going to request that we close the case today and echo the city's request.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. LaRoche. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor. That is my only matter today. May I log out of the virtual courtroom as well?
Oh.
Thank you very much.
And then
I see Student Halter is on. I'm not sure if his client is.
is your client there too?
Here.
Mr.
Yeah, he's here. Can you guys hear me?
Can. I hear somebody anyway.
Well, it's Martin Duenhalter, I think. I can't hear myself in the machine. May I make a suggestion? When we're waiting for the judge to come up and there's that wonderful loop where he says, hey, we're going to log you on in a minute, the music plays over and over and over. Maybe do like a documentary or something, because it'd be much more interesting. Or a cartoon, Roadrunner.
Music's for a reason. Get you excited about being here.
Well, I'm very excited. There is that.
Is the client this one?
Mr. Watkins, William Watkins.
And what do we do with Mr. Watkins today?
Your Honor, may it please the court, Martin Duenhalter, on behalf of Mr. Watkins, somewhat anticlimactically, I'm going to just ask you for a little bit of a set over so I can talk to Mr. Walls. I think I've had Mr. Watkins take some affirmative step, Mr. Walls, and I think we'll be able to resolve the case.
All right. And do we have any others that we can resolve right now, Mr. Walls? Because otherwise, I'll just send you into a room and.
There are some pros that I hadn't actually checked.
That's okay, Your Honor. If you can give us 2 weeks or
Well,
whatever
I'm
you
just
want.
if there's anything else we could take. Otherwise, I'll just send him to the room. And there's another conference room that's open where? I mean, an actual room. I'm trying to think of another one that's close by here.
There are some pros say that we could probably address. I on this, let's just set this over a couple of weeks, and then we can talk and hammer out the details.
Is there any objection to setting it over for a couple of weeks, sir?
Asking you.
Nope, no objection. Right, so we'll have that as an excluded period. We'll set it over for 2 weeks, and we'll deal with it in 2 weeks. Give you guys
Thank you
more
very
time.
much. Yeah, I think we should be able to figure it out by then. I'll call you, Aaron.
So that 2 week date is going to be on the 16th.
Oh, hold on a sec. Whoa. What time?
10 o'clock. You froze.
Okay. We should be able to.
If you need to do it earlier, we can do it earlier too.
Oh, I have a 8:45 in Pierce County and 9:15 in Marysville, but hopefully, we won't wait a long time sitting around on Zoom waiting, or other people taking up the time. It should be available by 10. If I log on at 10:15, you'll probably still be there.
You just need to have 3 or 4 screens with 3 or 4 computers. You can get it all done.
I hate computers. Sorry. I'd rather you, when you said about the extra room, I know down the road, Schoenbachlers have a barn, and we could just go to the barn where they sell hay, and we could hammer it all out there.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
All right.
All right, thank you. Yeah, we'll take it.
And set this over until the 16th. I've signed off on that. We'll send it over to you.
Thank you kindly. May I leave?
Yes.
Thank you. Y'all take care. I'll talk to Aaron.
Your Honor, I would see Hudson is on the Zoom.
Batson? Can you hear me?
Can.
All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor, this is a driver. I do see that he has a restricted license now. The only question was about the title transfer. Were you able to get the title transferred?
Yes, I was.
Okay. I see my notes that was nearly done the last time. So
If I have it right here if you'd like to see it.
that's okay.
Okay.
At this point, the city would move to amend the drive and spend third degree charge to no license on person, RC 4620017, and amend the failure to transfer title to no valid tabs, RCW 4616A 0305L.
And so the city has moved to amend the 2 criminal cases to 2 infractions. Are you pleading committed to those infractions?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So each one of those is a $139 fine. Upon payment, the cases are closed.
And
Okay.
Your Honor, there were 2 other infractions associated with this that look like they've gotten FTA'd. It's being prepared to send to collection. I'd ask to pull those and include them.
All right. We will pull the other ones from FTA status, and we'll also include them on a payment plan. So what you need to do is make minimal payments at least to us. If you can't make a payment, please call and let us know. We do like $50 a month. If you can't make that, that's fine. Call up the administrator at the court, and she will work with you. All right?
Thank you.
I don't want your license to go away again.
I know exactly. I can make a payment right now.
You got 30 days, and it's never good on a court day.
Okay. Got you. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So what, am I free to go or?
Has your address changed?
No, sir. No, Your Honor.
You're free to go.
Thank you.
Jorge Figueroa Arenas, I believe, is on.
Mr. Figueroa Arenas, can you hear us?
I am here.
Morning.
Your Honor, he is here on a driving suspended third. He is still suspended at this time. I believe he is going to need to continue.
All right. And are you still working on getting your license back, sir?
I am. I was gonna ask to see if I could have a little bit more time. I'm just waiting to come up with a payment to pay the first payment and get it on the payment plan.
Will 60 days be enough time?
Oh, yes, that will.
All right. So it'll require that you waive your right to a speedy trial within that time. Are you willing to do that?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm going to, with a speedy trial waiver, I'm going to go ahead and continue this for 60 days, which puts us on the May 4th date. Okay.
Perfect.
Has your address changed since last we talked?
It has not.
All right. So we'll send it to that address and you're free to go.
Thank you.
Actually, what you guys could just go. Actually, why don't you go to the conference room while I finish up this order? Unless you guys are not liking to be in the same room with each other, which I understand. That's perfect.
Well, actually, they have gym mats and everything, like a little punching bags, tackling. Yes.
Well, look at that. See, it's a lot of activity as well.
The new physical negotiation.
All right. It is amazing what the power of the stanchion is. People think that you can't simply move it. Oh my God, it's a stanchion. How do I get around this? Okay. You know, you're always panicked though, because if you're at Disneyland, you touch one. Bless you. All right. Y'all fix anything?
Progress. It would help if there was a table in the conference room.
There isn't one?
There's no table in there. They got, hold on.
Sorry.
We'll figure that out.
Yeah, I'll make sure.
You could have told me.
They have tumbling mats.
You could have told me before. I would have sent you.
They have tumbling mats and all kinds of stuff in there. So they didn't have anybody.
So you guys got a good workout before you came back in.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, good.
No, because I guess they were using it for yoga for the. Anyway, so that's something we probably need to square with.
By the way, Aaron, did Mr. Grover contact you in Napolitano?
Yes.
Okay.
That is actually a city motion.
Okay. That is on Napolitano. Yeah. And so you already contacted. Yeah, I think it's that. So, Kiki, she's going to be calling for an interpreter. Don't let her forget. Like Cantonese food. Almost as good as Szechuan. All you have to do is learn the language. Good enough. So we did not see a Mr. Tucker either.
And Your Honor, I could address some.
All right.
Christopher Janovich.
Present.
Janovich, can you hear us?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Your Honor, Mr. Janovich is here on a driving suspended third-degree charge. I see he does have his license back. At this point, city is asking to, or is amending to no valid license on person, RCW 4620017. Looks like he's already on a time pay on the tracking infractions.
So, Mr. Janovich, the city has moved to amend the criminal case to the infraction of no driver's license on person. You plead committed. The fine is $139. Do you want to do that?
Yes, sir.
I have done that. What do you want to do on the two infractions? Do you have a speeding and a no insurance? Can I see his PCH really quick?
I think he's already on a time payment for that.
Oh, is he? Why they're still on the calendar, though?
So you can certainly address fines if you want.
Let me see.
Yeah.
All right, so, so,
139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139. 139.
Yeah, those are already on a time payment. Looks like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking at your, is that what that is for you?
No,
Okay.
I was.
All right. So those are already resolved. So if you need to make monthly payments on it, that's fine. Just make monthly payments. And if you can't make those payments, just call us and we'll work with you, okay?
Okay, so contact Kim.
Contact Kim. She's the one.
All right, and the other ones, as far as the payments that I've been making, have they been paid off or are they still being paid?
They're still being paid, it looks like, but I can't really tell because I'm not good at looking at that stuff. So Kim will be able to tell you, though.
Awesome. I'll get a hold of her in the next couple of days. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
And your address hasn't changed?
No, sir.
All right. Great. We'll send it to your address then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we could address Angela Newhoff.
Angela, can you hear us?
Yes, I can.
Oh, good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor, last time we were here, she had screened and did not qualify. My understanding is looking into hiring an attorney.
And that's correct. Ms. Newhoff has had some non-income employment related financial one-time things going on. She's actually going to have a meeting with the retainers. So we're just asking for a 2-week continuance.
All right. And I will use that as an excluded period.
Thank you.
All right. Set this over to the 16th. That is an excluded period for speedy trial purposes. And it has your address changed since the last time we talked? All right.
No, it has not, Your Honor.
That is the address, and it looks like you're busy, so you're free to go.
Thank you very much.
And I believe the remaining cases are Mr. Russ.
That's correct, Your Honor. I guess very quickly we could call Annalicia Hillian. In that matter, Your Honor, Mr. Walls and I are pretty close to an agreement. Ms. Hillian is going to provide me with some documentation. So we're only asking for a set over of 2 weeks for that.
All right.
Probably have a disposition at the next. You can get me that documentation. And get it over to Mr. Walls.
All right. So that's a continuance for 2 weeks.
Yes, please.
And are you able to hear us, Ms. Hillian?
Yes.
Thank you. We are going to set this over for 2 weeks, and that's an excluded period for a speedy trial. Has your address changed since last we were together?
I believe it might have. I'm not sure which one is on file, Your Honor.
You give me your name, your address, and we'll make sure.
10406 Ainsworth Avenue South, and it's in Tacoma. 98444.
All right. So this is set over for the 16th at 10 a.m. And we will see you there, and you're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, next, if we could do Kelly Meyer. Is 1A0129-786. Your Honor, at this time, we're asking for a 1-month continuance. Meyer is in the process of getting it. We certainly stipulate to this being.
All right. You said for 1 month, or did you say 30?
1 month.
16.
Ms. Meyer, did you say Friday was your first appointment?
Yes, Friday is my alcohol evaluation.
Month should do it. I don't want to go too far.
Right. So we're setting this for April 6th.
Thank you.
10 a.m. Has your address changed since last we spoke, Ms. Meyer?
No, it has not.
All right, so we'll send you that address.
Perfect.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Have a good
You too.
Right.
Next, Your Honor, we have Priest, Smith, a couple of cause numbers. The criminal ones are XZ0902783, 203440160, and there is a tracking infraction as well, which is 784. Your Honor, Mr. Smith is going to provide me with some documentation which has some bearing on his case, so I'm going to be able to get that to me pretty quickly. So I'm not just asking for 2 weeks.
Okay, that'll be March 16th at 10 a.m.
I don't know if he can hear us.
Mr. Smith, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to recess until March 6th, March 16th at 10 a.m. Has your address changed since last we talked?
No, sir.
All right, so we'll send it to that address and we'll see you on that date, okay?
Yes, sir. Is that be visual? Is that to be same?
We will probably be continuing the hybrid court for a little bit longer. So yes, you could appear either in person or from your home.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
And then we have Allison here, 2 cause numbers, and they're also on warrant recall. 9Z0430-128, 9Z115-6716. And I think first we need to address the recall issue.
And is there objection to recalling the warrants, Mr. Walls?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll recall the warrants.
And Your Honor, this case has been banging around for a long time, and I think this is the case I mentioned that I forgot my magnetic chip and one physical hard file. It's one of the old ones I still have left. This is her file. So that being said, I really am not prepared to go forward without the discovery in hand. So I'm going to just ask for a 2-week continuance, and that's just so I can actually.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor. I would note she's got warrants at ISQA that she needs to take care of.
All right.
I have no objection to that making it.
Ms. Walker, can you hear us?
Yeah.
ISQA and take care of those warrants. I have quashed all the warrants.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're setting that you said to the 16th?
Yeah, I the only reason I just don't have the file.
That's fine. We're setting this for March 16th, so that's 2 weeks from now. Okay. So all you need to do is contact the Issaquah court and get all those warrants out of your way. And these warrants are now quashed. Okay. What is?
Okay.
Do we have your address?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay, it hasn't changed.
No. All
right, you're free to go. We're going to send this out to you.
Thank you.
2 weeks.
And Your Honor, that's all I have.
We put Smith 2 weeks or 4 weeks?
2 weeks on everybody except for not Hillian, the other one, Kelly Meyer, because she hasn't started the evaluation process. Everybody else is either getting me documentation or the last one because
I fear the 16th is going to be a big day.
I see the financial director's in the courtroom to fix her case. All right, it looks like we are done with the calendar.
They're always welcome, though.
Yes, we'll give tickets to everybody.
We had 2 in custody.
Yes, I will. On the first one, Mr. Lane, he was picked up by DOC goes to a DOSA hearing for revocation today, and apparently they said they gave us the finger and said we're taking it there. And then Mr. Kreibel, Pierce County will not respond to us.
So
has he had his pending trial? I know he's got 2 pending felonies over there. 2 different.
Kreibel?
Yeah. Has he actually been to trial?
I don't know, but they last court appearance they were willing to work with us, and apparently As Devin said, maybe the nice sergeant isn't working today.
Yeah.
So that
He has a
probably.
way of working magic.
Results. Which actually the nice thing is most people showed up today.
That was good. Sorry I
So
couldn't get
I don't
more
know
detail.
what we want to do about those two.
Rival would be the easier of the two. The other one, I think you talk with him, keeping it out.
Yeah, well, the thing is he's I think he's getting sent on a sentence on a DOSA or revoked on a DOSA. So I don't think that.
We don't have any way of doing anything
Yeah,
with him. No.
he's going to get shipped out to prison.
Yeah, no, he's going to get it.
Do we need our warrant to be out there?
Probably, yeah.
That may actually, that may affect us depending upon not all the good time, but some of the good time options. What's his DOSA for? What's the underlying charge? I'm just asking if it's a third or a half off.
My understanding, the charges are not great.
Because if they're violent offenses, he's only going to get a third off anyway, instead of half. With DOC.
Mr. Lane,
I have no idea.
felony BNCO.
He
Thing.
probably
Or
will
it could
get
be
a third off.
harassment.
He will probably get a third off.
And he's getting just over 2 years. Yeah, 20. So you got 27 and 3/4 months to do. So it would be about 18 months.
So with Kreibel, though, I mean,
So Kreibel's trial is set on the 18th at this point.
it's said a bunch of times, but that's not uncommon.
Yeah, I would just ask to set it over to the first week in April. See where he's at.
Because he may be in the same situation. He goes to trial and loses. They just may take him.
He has a bunch.
Well, yeah. Well, he'll still have a sentencing hearing, and if we're lucky enough to have a court date and we know about it.
I'm
between-
assuming that's deemed unavailable because
Right.
here, so it's
There's
Or
involved in another case exception to the speedy trial, which I think would apply here.
okay. Well, that concludes the calendar. We could thank our cleaning lady today. Good job. Thank you. Made it go smoothly.